Hey, welcome back. Pasta Tuesday, and we did a bit of work before filming. Sorry. Yeah, did a little bit of work. Engine steady's on. Screws and bolts, gear linkage are into the back of the housing. I've just nipped up 2 of these bolts at the moment. Oh, that sounded like reverse. So it's working. If it's any better than a standard setup, the 1 shift is a dubious matter. So what I'll do is I'm going to sell with the car this one. Don't know what to do about that gasket. I suppose that should have gone before putting the ball joint on into that, really, and that would have been reused. But we can do something about that later. Honest, Gov. So yeah, we'll just use the old gear knob for now. Nothing too special. So yeah, if you buy the car, you get the old 1 shift as well. It might not be brilliant, but hey, it looks pretty good. As I said, we might better see if we can nip that up a little bit. Yeah, yeah, gear lever. Just having a play about with the carb. Any other bits? Somebody worried about my heater valve. Hey, bam, I got it. That's good. So yeah, those wires go up there. What's this? What's that there? Be the Wi-Fi motor. So, not that we think we can get it running in the next few days, but we've got back part of this. Back part of the carb goes on with a gasket, which the air filter screws to. Just thought I'd try the air filter on just to see what it's going like. 5-inch spanners. These are 13mm if you ain't got anything else to hand. Spanner. Let's see if I can get the socket. Don't want to over tighten these. It's only aluminium. So I'll try and hold the ratchet spanner quite low down. Trying to do aluminium stuff. And this one won't go on because it's too close to the thing. Tell you what, every time you put another bit on, it just takes it back a little bit to its proper age. So yeah, I found the little box of bits that my dad gave me, so I've got enough to build the horn there, but also exhaust clamp which came in. Also, yeah, the little throttle bits and bobs that we're going to need to stick the cable on. So yeah, get in there, get in there. Need to connect the fuel pipe up really. Just feed the throttle cable to where it's supposed to go. Looking good. Fuel pipe made. Lovely. Work out what the best way to get into that is. Make sure the clips are where we can get to them. A little bit of spit to help get the pipes on. And let's have a battle. Oh, so we're going to have the same problem this end with the fuel pump. It's slightly bigger. It's got a little bulbous end to it. Jesus. Oh, I got bored and I started turning my attention to the exhaust pipe. I bought a couple of rubbers to try. Oh, hello.
Another one?
Yeah, sorry about that. Maybe again, trouble with the garage door open. Anyway, we're getting there. I might need to order up an exhaust fitting kit. I'll try and see if I can get a low down shot. Whoop, 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 whoop. I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video or not. I don't know what the timing's like. So yeah, you can see exhaust, just a bog standard mini spares one. Not fitting brilliantly, but it's good enough for what it is. I think what, 30 quid or something. Can't really go too wrong, can you? So yeah, should be alright. Make the car sound alright. Mini light, I'm sure hopefully it'll have a nice mini noise. So yeah, we're getting there. Interior is slowly getting cleaned out, but I'm taking all the bits out of it. Just your screen. I fancy going down the unit and spending an hour or so just playing with an exhaust manifold on the pickup, because I just feel that's a bit of fun. So yeah, let's go do that. Anyway, have a good evening if this is the end of the video. If it's a bit short, I'll add some more. We'll do a little bit more tomorrow.